Hey guys, sorry I had to cut this into 2 videos. The recorder timed out. So this last problem is again our lesson 4 and 5 quiz, number 5, level 4. So, let's do this one. 3 angles are described as follows. B is half the size of A. The measure of C is equal to 1 less than 2 times the measure of B. The sum of A and B is 114. Can the 3 angles form a triangle? Why or why not? So first, let's label angle A, angle B, and angle C. So angle A, I'm going to call X. Angle B is half the size of A. So that means 1/2 X or 0.5 X. Don't care which one you use, you'll get the same answer either way. The measure of C is equal to 1 less than 2 times the measure of B. So, 2 times the measure of B. Well, we know B is 1/2 X, but it said it's 1 less, so minus 1. It also says the sum of A and B is 114. So angle A plus angle B is equal to 114. I'm going to use this equation. So angle A plus angle B is equal to 114. We found out that angle A is X and angle B is 0.5x. So now we just need to combine our like terms. So now we've got 1.5x is equal to 114. To get rid of the 1.5, we have to divide both sides by 1.5. And let's do that math. So you're going to do 114 divided by 1.5. Oops, 1.5. And so we know that x is now equal to 76. We're not done. Now we have to take that we know what x is and plug it back in to all of the 3 angles. So let's do that. Angle A is equal to x. So that means angle A is 76 degrees. Angle B, we said, was 1/2 x. So that means we're going to do 1/2 times 76. And when we do that math, we're going to get 38. Angle C was 2 times 1/2 x minus 1. So that is 2 times 1/2 times 76 minus 1. So now we have to deal with all of this messy stuff. We need to remember PEMDAS. So the first thing we need to do is the parentheses. So 1/2 times 76 is 38. So 2 times 38 is 76. 76 minus 1 is 75. So angle C is equal to 75. We're still not done. We should know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. So we have to check that now. So angle A was 76, angle B was 38, and angle C was 75. So 76 plus 38 plus 75 is equal to 180. Well, is this equal to 180? We have to check. So 76 plus 38 plus 75 is equal to 189. Is 189 equal to 180? No, it is not. So we have to scroll back up. Can the three angles form a triangle? Well, we just figured out the three angles are equal to 189. So no, the three angles cannot form a triangle. All right. So that gives you your answers to the quiz lesson 4 and 5. We are going to move on now to lesson 6 in your book. So take this time to get your book, some extra paper, and a calculator.